Jai Swaminarayan. Today again we are going to start our exercise number 1.3, chapter number 1. In that 7 example is there, 7th example. So first fx is given and I have to find out the inverse. To find out inverse, first I have to prove that it is 1 1 and on 2. Then I am going to find out inverse. So first for 1 1 function, for x1 and x2 which belongs to R, domain of a function, y1 is equal to y2 means answers are same, means fx1 is equal to fx2 means 4x1 plus 3 is equal to 4x2 plus 3 means 4x1 is equal to 4x2 means x1 is equal to x2 means f is 1 1 function. Now for inverse, second step is we have to prove it is onto function. So now y is equal to fx is equal to 4x plus 3. Here subjective is y. I am going to make subjective x. So 4x is equal to y minus 3. So x is equal to y minus 3 by 4. So here I have to write for any y which is belongs to R, that is what codomain, there exists x is equal to y minus 3, 4 belongs to R domain, such that I can write like this: y is equal to fx is equal to 4x plus 3, but value of x I have to put it here. So f of y minus 3 by 4 is equal to 4 y minus 3 by 4 plus 3. So this is y minus 3 plus 3. So y is equal to y, means function is onto. So f is onto and f inverse exists. Now to write about f inverse, first I have to check. Now g o f of x is equal to x I have to prove. So that is g of fx. G of fx is given, that is what? 4x plus 3. We are aware here that fx is equal to 4x plus 3 and gy is equal to y minus 3 by 4. This value I have to put in g. So that is 4x plus 3, no, 4 plus 3. So that is y minus 3. This value of this I have to put in the g. That is what? 4x plus 3. This value I have to put here. Minus 3 by 4. So that is 4x plus 3 minus 3 by 4. So answer is x. Now FOG of y FOG of y is equal to f of gy, where y belongs to R. F gy is equal to what? Y minus 3 by 4. This value of this I have to put in the function. So that is y minus 3 by 4. This and this is cancelled. So y minus 3 plus 3. So answer is y. So I can write GOF and FOG. So F inverse is equal to G. So F inverse y is equal to G of y is equal to y minus 3 by 4. That is our 7th example. Now our 8th example. First, if you see, this is domain and this is codomain, and fx is equal to x square plus 4. Okay, now r plus is there, so it is non-negative real number. Now first, to find f inverse, first I have to prove it is 1 1. So for all x1 x2 which is belongs to R positive, fx1 is equal to fx2. It means x1 square plus 4 is equal to x2 square plus 4. So x1 square is equal to x2 square. So x1 is equal to x2 because our codomain is from 4 to infinity, means only positive I have to select. So there is no need to write plus or minus. So f is 1 1. So f is 1 1. Now for onto y belongs to 4 to infinity, where y is equal to fx. Again, y is equal to fx is equal to 1 x square plus 4. So y is equal to x square plus 4. So x square is equal to y minus 4. So x is equal to under root y minus 4, which is greater than or equal to 0. Which is greater than or equal to 0. So I can write like this: y belongs to 4 to infinity. For that, x is equal to under root y minus 4, which is belongs to x. X belongs to, I can write, x is from domain, so x, that is R positive. Now, to prove onto y is equal to fx is equal to x square plus 4. So f of under root y minus 4 is equal to under root y minus 4 square plus 4. So that is y minus 4 plus 4. So y is equal to y. So function is onto and f inverse exists. Now Again, to write what is a F inverse, I have to prove GOF of X is equal to G of Fx. We are aware that Fx is nothing but x square plus 4. I am going to write here Fx is equal to x square plus 4 and Gy is equal to under root y minus 4. So this value x square plus 4 I have to put in place of y. That is G Fx is there. Now this I have to put in place of y. So under root x square plus 4 minus 4. This is G. So this value I have to put in place of y. So this is root x square. So finally it is x. So GOF of x is equal to x. Now FOG of y is equal to f of gy. F of gy means under root y minus 4. So this value I have to put in fx. So square plus 4, that is y minus 4. So y minus 4 plus 4, that is y. So FOG of y is equal to y. So finally I can write FOG GOF is equal to identity and FOG is equal to also identity. This is 4 to infinity. So F inverse is equal to G. So F inverse y is equal to G of y is equal to under root y minus 4. This is our 8th example. Now again in 9th, find F inverse. So first I have to prove this is 1 function. So here F is R positive to minus 5 to infinity. This is my domain and this is my codomain. Now what is there? For all x1 x2 which is belongs to R positive, fx1 is equal to fx2 means 9x1 square plus 6x1 minus 5 is equal to 9x2 square plus 6x2 minus 5. Okay. Now if I want to make it pure square, I can write like this: 9 plus 6x1 plus 1 minus 6 is equal to 9 x2 square plus 6x2 plus 1 minus 6. Here I can write like this, that 3x1 whole square plus 2 into 3x1 into 1 plus 1 square minus 6 is equal to 3x2 whole square plus 2 into 3x2 into 1 plus 1 square minus 6. So this is 3x1 plus 1 whole square minus 6 is equal to 3x2 plus 1 whole square minus 6. So 3x1 plus 1 whole square is equal to 3x2 plus 1 whole square. So 3x1 plus 1 is equal to 3x2 plus 1. So 3x1 is equal to 3x2. So x1 is equal to x2. So f is 1 function. Now for inverse, y, which belongs to minus 5 to infinity, y is equal to fx is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 1. These I can write y is equal to 9x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 6. So y is equal to 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. So y plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 1 whole square. So 3x plus 1 is equal to under root y plus 6. So 3x is equal to under root y plus 6 minus 1. So x is equal to y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. So where x belongs to positive, r positive. Now to prove onto y is equal to fx is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. So y is equal to f of under root y minus 6 plus 6 minus 1 by 3. These I have to put in this. So this is nothing but 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6 I will put. So 3 what? 9x square plus 6x minus 5 is equal to 3x square plus 3 plus 1 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. Now these value I have put in place of x. So 3 in place of x is this plus 1 whole square minus 6. 3 cancel. So y under root y plus 6 minus 1 plus 1 whole square minus 6. 1 cancel. Root is out. So y is equal to y. So f is onto. So f is onto. I have to write rf is equal to minus 5 to infinity. F is onto, so f inverse exists. Now GOF of x, before I will write inverse function of x is equal to g of fx. So g of fx means 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6. These I have to put in g function, that is 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6 plus 6 minus 1 by 3. So this is 3x plus 1 minus 1 by 3. So this is x. Now FOG of y बराबर f of gy. F of gy is what? Under root y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. These I have to put in fx, that is what? 3 y plus 6 minus 1 by 3 square ने 3x आता है plus 1 whole square minus 6. These and this is cancelled. So under root y plus 6 minus 1 plus 1 whole square minus 6. So y plus 6 minus 6 is equal to y. Here g(f) of x is equal to x is there, and f(g) of y is equal to y is there. It means g(f), that is also identity function, and f(g) is also identity function. So f inverse is equal to g. So f inverse y is equal to g of y is equal to under root y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. Here we have to understand that where to put what value. So fx is equal to 3x plus 1 whole square minus 6, and gy is equal to under root y plus 6 minus 1 by 3. Now it is given that function f is invertible function. So I have to select that for all y belongs to capital Y, FOG 1 y is equal to IY is equal to FOG 2 y, and function is 1 1. So first what f is x2y, g1 and g2. Suppose I have to prove that unique inverse. So first, if I will take g1 and g2 are 2 inverse of f. Suppose 2 are there. So FOG of 1 y is equal to I1 y is equal to FOG 2 of y. So f of g 1 y is equal to f of g 2 y, means g1 y is equal to g2 y. So g1 is equal to g2, means g1 is g2. So inverse are there, but functions are also same. So it is a unique solution. This we will see in class. So f has unique inverse. Here now we have to find out inverse. Here it is given that f of f is 1 2 3 2 ABC, and f of 1 is equal to A, f of 2 is equal to B, and f of 3 is equal to C. So first, suppose G is from ABC to 1 2 3. So G of A is equal to 1, G of B is equal to 2, and G of C is equal to 3. So now if I want to find out inverse, and I have to prove that F inverse is equal to F. So first, FOG of A is equal to F of GA is equal to GA means 1 and F of 1 is A. I am starting with A and final is A. Again, FOG of B, F of GB, GB is what? 2 and F of 2 is what? B. Again, F of OG of C, F of GC, so F of 3, so answer is C. Same way, GOF of 1 is equal to G of F1. F1 is A and G of A is 1. Same way, GOF of 2, G of F2, G of F2, you see, F2 is B, GA is 1. Same way, I can write here that F2 is what? B and G of B is what? 2. Same way, GOF of 3, so G of F3, so G of F3 is C and G of C is 3, means FOG is equal to identity function, and that is from ABC, and GOF is also identity function, and that is 1, 2, 3. Now F inverse is equal to G, that also I have to. So F inverse is equal to G means F inverse is defined from ABC to 1, 2, 3, means F inverse, that is G, F inverse A is equal to 1, F inverse B is equal to 2, and F inverse C is equal to 3, where, and suppose H is a inverse of G. Now suppose H is inverse of G and H is from 1 to 3 to ABC, where H1 is equal to A, H2 is equal to B, H of 3 is equal to C. Now G O H 1, so G of H1, so G of H1 is A, and G of A means F inverse, that is what? 1. GOH 2, so G of H2, so G of B, and G of B is what? 2. GOH 3, so G of H3 is equal to G of C, and G of C is what? 3. Same way I have to write this also. HOG A, H of GA, H of GA means 1 and H of 1 is A, HOG B, H of GB, H of GB, B means here I have to write 2, so H2, that is HOG C, H of GC, and H of GC, that is 3, so H3 is C. Now, so H is inverse of G. So G inverse is equal to H and H is equal to F. So F inverse, that means G, that inverse, that is H, and that H is equal to F. Now fx is given and I have to find out f of x. So first FOF of x is equal to f of fx. Fx means this, that is what, 3 minus x cube raised to 1 by 3. Now this value again I have to put in place of x, that is 3 minus x cube raised to 1 by 3. Now in place of x, this I have to put, that is what, 3 minus x cube raised to 1 by 3. Now this is what, 3 minus these and this is out, so 3 plus x cube raised to 1 by 3, 3 and 3 is cancelled, so answer is x. Now 14. This is the MCQ and I have to find out only inverse, so directly MCQ is there, so just I am going to take y is equal to fx is equal to 4x upon 3x plus 4. So this 3xy plus 4y is equal to 4x. So 3xy minus 4x is equal to minus 4. Y, x is common, so 3y minus 4 is equal to minus 4y. So x is equal to minus 4y upon 3y minus 4 is equal to 4y upon 4 minus 3y. Minus is multiplied to this, and that option is 4y upon 4 minus 3y. That option is B. That is a B option.